Hello, my name is Valentina Suarez. I am 19 years old. I live in Bogota. I live with my mom, my dad, and my three sisters. I have three pets, a dog, and two cats. At this time, I am studying administration and work in a travel agency. I like reading, dancing, the music, traveling. I will continue with my travel experience. Visit Sogamoso, Boyacá. Last vacations in December, I went to Sogamoso. It's a very beautiful and quiet town. We stayed for a full weeks on this trip. I went with my family. We were 12 people. The good thing about this type of travel is that we don't spend a lot of money. We spend almost 1,500,000. Uh, Definitely one of the places that I like most about this beautiful tour was the park of La Villa. I will definitely repeat this trip again. Um, Eight recommendations. It is important that people visiting Sogamoso wear comfortable shoes. It's recommended that children always be under the supervision of an adult. It's necessary that you go out at night to visit the nearby towns. It's a good idea for people to stop at Isa to its desert. It is important that children enjoy ice cream in a cone with 7 flowers. It's recommended that you go at Christmas time to enjoy the lighting. It is necessary that people visit the different fairs that this town expose. It's a good idea for you to stop at Venta Quemada to try the delicious boyacense arepas. And continue what people should and should not do in Sogamos. People should visit the Park of the Villa. People should go in July for the festivities of this town. People should go to nearby town. People should not wear many clothes. People should not be rude to the inhabitants. People should eat go at night. And people should have anywhere to stay since hotel are filled. Thanks.